Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're gonna go hiking at the Seaton Hiking Trail in Pickering. Notice that I won't be using any music in this video. I want you guys to fully experience all of the nature and forest sounds. A little bit of ASMR if you enjoy that. There's a little bit of a walk until we get into the forest path. There's even a lovely stream here. We are on the path. I much prefer walking these types of paths rather than paved trails. Sorry for any breathing noises. I'm wearing a mask. It was a beautiful day, so there were other people around as well. We're going to be approaching a nice little bridge here. I always avoid touching any sort of vegetation along the way. Who knows if there's poison ivy? Isn't this awesome? Look at that. There used to be a wooden staircase here, but it's been upgraded to a safer steel staircase. There must be over 100 steps here. It's a long way up. We actually saw a lady that was running up and down for some exercise. And here's the view looking downwards. At the very top, you're rewarded with a breathtaking view. That was the lady that was exercising. She's talking on her phone. Look at that amazing view. It's even more spectacular when the leaves turn color in the fall. Let's keep walking. I kind of feel like I'm in a video game, exploring a beautiful forest. What do you guys think? Do you enjoy hiking with me? I wore long pants to make sure no bugs get to me, and also a light jacket. Make sure to wear sturdy, waterproof shoes. And here we are. Look at that. A beautiful view of a river down below. There's no fences here, so be careful not to get too close to the edge. I wonder if I can get down there. I love looking at all the interesting trees and vegetation. Look at that strange tree. I have a little bit of allergies. Better to keep that mask on. So I've been filming this with my phone. I don't have a separate microphone, but it picked up all of the nature sounds relatively well. So you can hear the crickets, the birds. I'm impressed. Are you guys enjoying this trail? It was so peaceful. Look at this beautiful tree. Sometimes you kind of imagine who planted it. And we're heading back out. I'll let you enjoy some of the sounds and the views. And a beautiful wildflower. Our hike is finished. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a like. We'll go again very soon.